Hey family, this is Darlene. I'm working on some turquoise and wood and black onyx bracelets. So I'm going to start it off with the turquoise piece. I'm going to go ahead and throw a couple of these bone beads. Probably going to be doing a lot of bracelet videos. Let's do maybe separate it with a small one of these beads. And I'm working on a lot of bracelets because the bracelets sell really well when I do outside events. So I like to have a lot of bracelets, especially sets. And you would be surprised because what I think is for a woman, you know, sometimes a man will buy a masculine man. And, you know, when you see a man stand there and try on something that you think is made for a woman and it looks masculine on him, that says a lot for a piece of jewelry. And then I have women that will buy pieces that I make for men and they look feminine, you know, on the woman. So I've gotten out of saying, oh, that's for the woman, or that's, you know, a female piece or a male piece. I've gotten way away from that because you just don't never know who's going to buy it, you know, male or female. Because I know in the beginning I would always put women bracelets or men bracelets. Now I just put unisex. And it makes sense to me. And then I was looking at the videos. I'm like, man, some of these videos are like 30 minutes. And then I'm going to try to figure out a way how I can cut them down to be shorter, like maybe 10 minutes or less. But then if you think about it, it's cutting a lot of the video out if I, you know, if I cut it. But then my thought is, do people really want to sit and watch, you know, that entire time? I'm like, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Because sometimes, I know for me, I like to watch when people are doing like the home projects. I like to see from the beginning to the end. And just to watch something, you know, be created from nothing to end up as something. And these are those black onyx beads. I love black onyx beads. They just have a really nice richness to them. I mean, they're black, but they just really, anything you pair them with just looks really nice. See, that's nice. That's just a little set. And I think I'm going to close it off with maybe a black wood bead, only because it has a bigger hole. And then I like to do the double. 1, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, nice and tight, and then 1, and then 2, 1, 2, nice and tight. And then I want to clip it. And of course, you already know I forgot to turn the camera on. I'm going to get better, I promise. Okay, this is the second bracelet. Let's see what we got here. Let's do this one first. How nice is that, right? And then I'm thinking maybe I'll put some, nah, maybe not, because I have these little spacers here to like put some charms just kind of hanging off. But nah, I think that's nice. Yeah. That's really nice. I like this. So see, this could be for a man or a woman. It's very unisex. Right? Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, I don't know why not. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the all. Hit the bell. And then click on all. And then that way you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Right? And you'll be notified with the rest of us. I'm going to be giving away even more good stuff. And it'll always more than likely be some of the jewelry I create. So come on, join the family, join the community. We would love to have you. All right? Find your creative place and then live there. We'll talk soon.